Okay, so gonna show you how to throw a view in here real quick. I have a main folder in my resources that I put all my shit in. This is the Admin GUI I'm currently working on, the one you were talking about. The view tutorial folder I just added, that's like the parent where I'm just gonna put, let's cd into it real quick, view dash, and then I'll make my FX manifest for later. And then what you need to do, the first step after, you're waiting here with that, is install Vue CLI if you don't have it, npm install, and we're going to do that globally. It's at view/CLI. Oh, I couldn't spell it right. View/CLI like that. I'm not going to run it because I only have a certain amount of time, and I'm not going to burn up my video time with npm taking forever. I have to do that later. So do view create inside of here. That way your FX manifest folder is separate from the actual view shit. And I'll just call this view demo inside that. Then we wait for a sec. Like the FiveM view, that's my preset. You don't want to do manually select features. And then obviously you want to turn on preprocessors for CSS, linter formatter and Babel, 3.0, 3.x, 3.24 I think is the current version. I do Node Sass and ESLint with Prettier, and I lint on save, and I do it all in package JSON, not in dedicated. There's a caveat to that. I don't say you can save it as a preset. I already have mine set up, so I don't need to do that. There's a caveat to the whole build process actually. So when you actually run npm run build, the script, it will automatically build the assets linked with absolute paths, and we need to make sure they're relative. There's a simple fix for that, which I will show you in just a moment. Actually, you know what? While this is going, we could probably just do it. Let's open up our view demo, put a new file in there, and we'll call it view.config.js. And then module.exports equals an object, and it's public path, not patch, path, and you just put an empty string and save that. Don't worry about that. Obviously, I don't have a Git repository for that. This is almost done. Yeah, but this will set so it's not going absolute. Otherwise, it won't load shit, and you won't be happy. FX manifest is pretty simple. FX_version. That's Cerulean, which is the current version. We need to put games, else it won't work. GTA 5. And then files. Files is going to be, well, for this one, it'll be view demo /dist/index.html. I like to just fucking copy this line because I'm a lazy whore. And then I do js/star.js because it's we're wildcard friendly here. And then I change these to CSS also. So we knock out our CSS and our JS there. And then we can copy this up here. UI page. Oops, not that. We want that. That's pretty much that for the manifest. It's pretty simple. That's done. Now we can run npm run build, and oh shit, wait, no, we cannot. I gotta do this. Fuck. cd what is it, view demo clear. Yeah, now we can do npm run build. Yeah, you should probably be in the right folder before you do that, huh? So now we're waiting. Our dist folder will show up. What I like to do is just check the index HTML file. Yeah, that built fine. So go to dist, open this index, and then format it, and make sure that, yeah, see right here, it's relative. If it looks like that with this preceding /, then you're going to be fucked. So go back and fix it. Otherwise, it's good. So now we can run the server and test this bitch real quick. Hopefully we didn't fuck it up. It looks good. View tutorial. Yep, we're good. And we can load FiveM, which goddamn takes forever. Don't know how much time I have left, but that's okay. We should be okay. Only get 10 minutes because I have this free version of this fucking program. Boom. Run our home server. Oh, Christ on a cracker. Now we wait, now we wait. Almost done. But it should be just the, default, view fucking, yep, there it is. Boom. Welcome to your Vue.js app with all that bullshit. And then obviously you know where to go from there. Any questions, dude, just holler at me.